Namaste student. After a long time, after giving the content assessment examinations, we are joined again here to continue the topic of the subject biomedical signal processing. And today's topic is random noise. Random noise or white noise is a noise in which signal processing in random signal having quality intensity at different frequencies. That means we have different frequencies level, we have different signals, and it's mix up in random in nature, giving it is constant power spectral density. The term is used with this or similar meaning in the many significant or scientific technical discipline, including physics, astrological engineering, telecommunication, statisticals, others. White noise refers to a statistical model for signals and signal source rather than to any specific signals. White noise drawn its name from white light. Although light that appears white generally does not have a flat power spectral density over the visible band. In discrete time, white noise is a discrete noise whose samples are generated as a sequential and serial uncorrelated random variables with zero mean and finite variance. A signal realization of white noise is a random, so depending on this context, one many also requires that the samples be independent and have identical probability distributions. In particular, if each sample has a normal distribution with zero means, the signal said to be additive white Gaussian noise. That means normal distributions with zero mean, that is called additive white Gaussian noise. The samples of white noise signals may be sequential in time or arranged along one or more spatial dimensions. In digital image processing, the pixels or of a white noise image are typically arranged in a rectangular grid and are assumed to be independent random variables with uniform probability distributions over some interval. The concept can be defined also for signals spread over more complicated domains such as sphere or others. In also that random noise is noise generated by activities in the environment where symmetric acquisitions work being carried out. Random noise can be reduced or removed from data by stacking the tricks, filtering, and other processing methods. During this, a finite bandwidth white noise signals is very purely theoretical construction. The bandwidth or of white noise limited in a practice by mechanism of noise generation, by transmission medium, and by finite observations capabilities. Thus, random signals are considered white noise if are observed to have a flat spectrum over the range of frequency that are relevant to context. For a audio signals, the relevant range is a band of audible sound frequency between 20 and 20,000 Hz. Such a signal is heard by the human ear as a hissing sound, and this will be recorded for further context. So that here today we discuss the white noise or random noise. Thank you.